Ich bin ausgesprochen erfreut über den Verlauf des Vormittags hier bei unserem dritten Verbandstag der Emppa, diesmal in Brüssel. Hier ist die EU-Kommission, hier ist das Europäische Parlament. Wir hatten einen insbesondere sehr interessanten Termin mit guten Beispielen aus der Fasergussindustrie, wie es in der Pädagogik heißt, durch Vorbild erziehen, dass man es einfach greifen kann, dass wir in Sachen Nachhaltigkeit und Kreislaufwirtschaft gut aufgestellt sind mit den bisherigen Produkten.
We are from Czech Republic and we are a system integrator. We deliver automated production machines and lines. I'm happy to be a part of this growing industry.
It allows networking and sharing of ideas to improve the market segment, I think. And I'm here because molded fiber is a big area of interest for Solenists, and we want to improve the process for people and the characteristics of the articles. So.
It's been an amazing event. We've been speaking about molded fiber trends, prospects, raw material supply, but also the scale-up tendency of this industry in general. So it's going to be an impactful event, which takes place on an annual basis.
My main goal here today is to reduce our plastic and other raw material consumption and to change it over to pulp. I believe we need to do this to be corporate responsible, everything better for our kids, our grandchildren. That's my main goal, yeah.
It is very important for us to follow all the regulations and try to make some barrier with the other product, because today with all this regulation we go one step ahead and two steps back. It's difficult to take decisions. Maybe if everybody work on the same direction, we can have a better product and a competitive product.
This is my first time when I hear in the APMPP. This is a good opportunity for me that I becoming the information what is the future. The change it for the plastic, for the paper, have the chance and how go to this running is faster or slower. This is 1 year or 10 years what we can with the change it and more paper used for the packaging these companies.